Looking to get in on the action of trading Dogecoin and earning profit from it with added advantage? Well, you can capitalize on our 5% off offer on Binance. You'll get a 5% discount off every trade that you make. All you have to do is follow the link in the description and sign up to enjoy this offer. Hello again and welcome back to Crypto Line. Today we'll be looking at why Mark Cuban and Shark Tank can influence the growth of Dogecoin to $1. We'll also be looking at the latest Dogecoin price predictions and chart analysis. If you're watching a video on this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications. Dogecoin could be set for another inspiring run for the upside if it manages to overcome the current price trend. But on the intraday chart, Dogecoin price has failed to stay above crucial support levels, hinting at overwhelming bearish pressure. The coin could be set on a depressing-looking triangle pattern while still maintaining a bullish outlook. The short-term selling pressure has pushed Doge back into a symmetrical triangle consolidation. A reversal in bullish outlook is possible if the meme coin slices through a crucial demand barrier at 4.7 cents. The Dogecoin price saw a massive spike on April 1st when Elon Musk tweeted about Doge. However, the quick run-up has retraced almost all of its surge. In the most recent analysis, as maintained by FX Street, Dogecoin's technical formation is not static. A decisive close above 6.1 cents suggests a possible 36% upswing to 8.3 cents. However, a breakdown of the symmetrical triangle's lower trend line at 5.1 cents shows a downward trajectory for the Dogecoin price towards 3.3 cents. People have questioned the limited effect that the latest comment by Elon Musk had on the price of Doge. Not that the pump was unappreciated, but it was a slight source of heartbreak for hodlers of Dogecoin who still had their eyes set on the long-term picture. As much as people are set to see Dogecoin mature within 2 to 3 years, if there's any chance that it will ever reach that at an earlier period of time, people will surely appreciate the move. I mean, who wouldn't? Lessons learned is that the safest and most reasonable way to benefit from any crypto is to hop on the long-term train and hope that it all goes well. Unless you're investing in a fake crypto. There aren't as many scams in the crypto industry anymore as there were in the early years. People did everything they could to gain a foothold and earn more money. Some profited while many others got hurt. It's usually depressing to consider the fact that somehow many of us missed the glorious opportunity to make millions via Bitcoin investment before its value skyrocketed. It left people rueing such a missed chance. Therefore, it wasn't surprising when other types of cryptocurrencies started surfacing and many people dived head-on into them. No one wants to miss the next big break. Dogecoin could be the next best thing, and the key to tapping into the potential of Dogecoin lies in the speculative intent of the investor. If influential people like Elon Musk, Mark Cuban, and other notable celebs who've spoken out in support of Dogecoin believe in the crypto, it's an indication for us ourselves that we would be totally on the offside if we failed to capitalize on this opportunity right in front of our eyes. Mark Cuban, for instance, is a moneymaker, one of the notable billionaires in the United States of America, and owner of the Mavericks, a top basketball team. One thing about people like him is that they don't just invest in a crypto, they find a way to continue to use it. As rich as they are, we can all agree that buying and holding crypto definitely is not a problem for them. Most of them are past the stage of seeking instant liquidity, and as such do not worry about getting their money out of investments very quickly. Like Warren Buffett, many of these people are looking for something they can just dump money in as investment and leave it there for decades until it grows massively. Crypto tends to play out like stocks, but it grows massively more than stocks can ever manage. The highlight from last year and the first few months of this year is that investor sentiment really is the vehicle that moves any cryptocurrency price trend, meaning that we have all come upon the reality that we're the ones truly capable of making crypto grow. Thus, all efforts committed to making a crypto grow have to be carried out in active form. Each Dogecoin holder has to be in active form. We claim the rate of adoption of Dogecoin will aid its growth, but even in our small business establishment, can we be a little like Mark Cuban and Air Baltic by making Dogecoin a means of payment? Can we have people in the Dogecoin community who can build an application that can allow the exchange of Dogecoin for basic utility products? That's what Mark Cuban is doing for all of us. He must have seen that buying and holding Dogecoin one time will not be enough, and he's made it an applicable utility in his company. In a publication, the Shark Tank star and Dallas Mavericks owner, who sold his audio streaming startup to Yahoo during the dot-com frenzy, also discussed the cryptocurrency boom, predicted blockchain will revolutionize business, and shared his first experience with non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. He mentioned Dogecoin is an easy way to have fun. When he first bought it for his son, it was less than a penny. This was when $1 would get you 100 of them. He's allowing his son to watch Dogecoin and learn about crypto. Mark Cuban stated in a quote about Dogecoin, "It's better than buying a lottery ticket. It's probably more rewarding than playing daily fantasy sports. It's a great way to learn, it's great entertainment, it's addictive, it's cheap, and the downside is negligible." He went on to comment that the entertainment value of Dogecoin is so high, and then you add the entertainment value of the community where everybody's just come together, and I get to put rocket ships in my tweets and Doge to the moon and all this, it's just fun. Though it started off as a joke, it has attained a more serious outlook, and he commented that people have to stop taking it so seriously. He called it the Seinfeld of crypto assets, the cryptocurrency about nothing. Seinfeld was a great show and it was entertaining even though it was about nothing, and so is Dogecoin. I think it's amazing, I love it. Unlike Seinfeld though, Dogecoin can make you money. According to the New York Post, the cult cryptocurrency's price jumped after the billionaire Shark Tank investor claimed his Dallas Mavericks NBA team could help push it to $1. Mark Cuban had taken to Twitter to reveal that the Mavericks had handled more than 20,000 Dogecoins, or about $1,109, in transactions within 2 days of announcing that the team would accept Dogecoin as payment for tickets and merchandise. That made the Mavericks the largest Dogecoin merchant in the world. The 62-year-old entrepreneur added that the meme-inspired currency's price will definitely hit $1 if the Mavericks fans buy another 6.5 billion Dogecoin worth of merchandise. That would be equivalent to roughly 5% of all the Dogecoin currently in circulation, according to CoinDesk. Dogecoin is still a long way off from the $1 mark, though. The coin is trading at about 5.5 cents, roughly 36% below the all-time peak of 8.7 cents it reached a couple of months ago. According to the trend established by Bitcoin and other altcoins that have risen massively, such as Ethereum and most recently BNB, etc., it's best to buy into a cryptocurrency when it's pretty much sold at a low value. As an illustration, in the rise of Bitcoin, people who've bought it in bulk in its early stages for as low as $5 or even lower are supposed to be billionaires by now. Dogecoin is pretty much the best option to buy into right now. Let's imagine buying 10,000 Dogecoin at 5 cents. That means a total meager expense of $500. Fast forward to sometime in the future, if the price booms to $1, the value of 10,000 Dogecoin as of then would be worth $10,000. Buying that high amount of Dogecoin while it persisted at 5 cents without a clear sign of a major rise in value turns out to be a wise decision. An investor who enjoys this pleasure is not plagued by the problems most people have with volatility and unstable price of cryptos. Even when it falls from that $1 to about 80 cents, the investor is still not at a loss. Thinking and deciding against investing in a cryptocurrency due to its humble beginnings could lead to a string of hurtful regrets later in time. Let's say that the reason many people missed out on Bitcoin and Ethereum was that there was a paucity of information to run with. However, that's not the case anymore. Several analytic platforms have consistently provided the necessary information available about the potential of Dogecoin. Therefore, there is no excuse for missing out on another glorious opportunity to make millions off a cryptocurrency. In this chart, the analyst points out that Dogecoin has broken out from the symmetrical triangle, dropped back into its apex to confirm support, and now on a parabolic uptrend. Looking ahead, if Bitcoin remains bullish or range-bound, he anticipates this small parabola to fail at resistance level of 6.2 to 6.3 cents, resulting in a small retrace. Eventually, Dogecoin will ride the Bitcoin bull and break through. After that, the next resistance level is looking to be the all-time high, right below 8 cents. Next up is the eventual mark of 9 cents, where the full triangle target plays out, also corresponding to fib extension 0.618. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that notification bell. What's stopping you from investing in Dogecoin now? Let me know your answers in the comments section below. And while you're here, go ahead and click on one of the videos on your screen. Good luck and happy investing.